Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Live Trading Action by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is December 8th, 2016. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. Today, we're going to show you an options trade that we just closed out, believe it or not, for 344% gain. So here's the stock. It's called Lululemon. They make yoga pants and other fitness apparel. And this stock had been really coming down sharply. You could see back here, stock traded above $80 a share, and look how it just tumbled. I actually did a video in November, or actually maybe even in September, saying this stock, when it gets down to around the $55 area, is where traders would want to accumulate the equity. And what you're going to see here is a strange pattern that a lot of traders really don't understand. But you see how the stock started to move lower, and then it just kept bouncing over here. This is, believe it or not, a lot of people will take this as being bearish, but it's actually accumulation by the institutional money. And then the stock today, or I should say last night, reported earnings, and you can see how the stock gapped right up to the gap window here, right around 72 bucks. So again, it's just a tremendous move. Now, we were in this equity for a little bit of time, but like I told traders, I said, we're not going to own the stock outright. What we're going to do is buy call options on it. And if we buy call options, we could hold it for a while and give yourself enough time. And believe it or not, our option was set to expire next Friday. And that's all the time I was willing to give it. But sure enough, this did turn out to be accumulation. And how I got that feeling was that you just never seen this low right here from October get breached. We came down there, we tested it, we had some big sell-offs, weekly charts, daily chart sell-offs, but we never got through and never penetrated that on a closing basis. And sure enough, this stock gapped up today, and you got a big move. Another thing you want to look at is always the weekly chart. If you take a look at this chart, what you're going to see here is that the stock put in a low in 2015 at around, I believe, $43, and it went all the way up to that $80 level. And sure enough, you come back down and you retrace, but look at all of that support you had at 55. You had what we call a backtest candle. You also had numerous prior breakouts, and then finally when the market broke out, you could see here, this is where the stock came down sharply, finished the week towards the highs, and then it really took off and surged. So we always want to watch for those secondary breakout levels, and they will often serve as very good institutional support, and I believe that's exactly what we saw today. So nice move there, and congratulations to all the members that capitalized on that 300+% gain. I made personally 344%, so not too shabby. I'll take it, and we'll move on to the next trade. I'm looking to have another options play out either tonight or this afternoon or tomorrow morning. So again, if you want to trade alongside of us, take a subscription to the Options Alert Service. Even if you have, just say, 2 or 3 contracts or even 5 contracts. I think 5 contracts on this trade would have made you probably $2,700. So again, just something to consider. You don't need a big account to do something like this, and it's a pretty good program. And again, watch for all my trades. I'm trying to have a new trade out this afternoon or tomorrow morning. With that being said, everybody, have a great trading session, and we will see you on the charts.